Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About number 20, I can put into 16 plus 4. So if we look carefully about this one in here, this is about identity, and you got about s plus 4 to the power of 2. Now, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s plus 4 equal to 2 tan t. Because if I put this one going here, you got about 4 tan t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by the s. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about the s equal to 2 secant of t square dt. So we put this one going here. The s we change by this one. This one we have 4 tan t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. This one we have secant of t square. Later that we need to simplify, and we have 1 over 2 dt. The integration of dt, we have t in here, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 2. And later that we can find the value of t equals to arctan of this one. And then I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.